Another thing is I've broke my pole. Oh, I don't know what that is. It's a, oh, no. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. Got a buddy out here with me today. We're working on getting to some deep spots in the creek. Had to park up the road a little bit, but we're really just trying to catch anything we can. Rock bass, smallmouth, sunfish, anything. So hope it goes well and hope y'all enjoy.
Got it?
Oh, yeah. I don't know. I don't think so. Well, I don't know. I think you're just fighting really hard. No, that's not a 2. I know your weight on 2. That's not a 2.
Look, there's another chasing.
Yeah. There we go.
That's not a double. That actually might be a little smaller than what I got. Oh, yeah, that is more smaller. That is a little smaller than what I got.
Come here, man. There we go. I'd say he's probably a half pound. Oh. There we go. Got something, I don't know what it is. Maybe a rock bass? I'm confused. What we got here? Little rock bass. Actually, it's pretty good size rock bass. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Changed up to a little Cinco. Nice little rock bass. With that camera, you really look good. A little stick. Oh, is that a fish? Yes. Yes. That a rock bass, I imagine. Gotta be. Man, they fight so hard in this current. Pulling me all the way in the current. These rock bass are crazy in the current. You're a little rocky. See what that does. I got something. There we go. That's a smallmouth. There we go. Fighting all right. He's in current though. Another thing is I've broke my pole. So it's kind of hard to reel in fish. Got another one. Another smallie. There we go. Good little guy. Send him back right here. Oh, is that a fish? No, but that looks like a gar over there. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I don't know what that is. Maybe in there smallmouth. But no, with my broken rod. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's bigger. It's a big one. Oh, I think it's a big one. Oh my goodness, on a broken rod. Oh my goodness, Micah. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, please. Don't break it. 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 What? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna need a scale. First, I need them. He's a. Oh. He's a good one, man. Don't break it. Don't break it. No. I'm pulling you on the bank. I'm pulling you on the bank. I'm pulling you on the bank. Yeah! Yeah!
That's a fucking toad.
Hey, I didn't tell you this earlier, but look at my rod.
What the?
Okay, and when I had to go in that deep hole, I broke it.
Oh my god.
I just caught this fish on a broken rod. Dude.
What'd you catch him on?
Cinco. Caught him on the little Cinco. Oh man. I saw a gar over there. I may have been him, but I saw what looked like a gar, but just a big wake, and I cast it over there. That's a long fish, man. Look at that guy. Look how big he is. I mean, he's a toad, dude.
Ooh, that's a toad, dude.
He's 3.3, 3.4.
He's 3?
He's 3.4. Now get old underwater release. On the monster. You got bad. So are we sure we want to go in town? There we go.
I'm glad you can catch all the fish.
What do you mean?
Let me reel it in. Let me finish the job.
What do you mean you
Give me that
finished the
goddamn
job?
thing.
Alright, you finished the job. You get him in here.
Get off, get off, get off.
What do you mean get off?
Look at it. Two fish, one hook. Let's go. Come on.
No. Maybe on a treble hook, not on that one.
Yes.
That's about your cast rate.
I want to cast it one more time.
Put your own.
Just let me do it one time.
Get it hung, you go and get it. You got one. Go get it.
Jack, no.
Go get it. Go get
Man,
it.
I'm finally dry.
Go get it.
No.
Go get it. Pop it off. I'm taking a hugger mount on
No,
this
you're
one.
not.
You better go get it.
Man, I'm already dry.
That's not been your week fishing wise, man.
It's not in my ear, dude. I feel like if I just work enough, it's gonna go.
You better get that thing off, or you know.
Or what, Jack? Or what? Why'd you do that? No, you broke it. Give me my 20.
Your 20. Give me my 20 back.
Give me my $20 back.
Why did 20 come in your mind?
Because it sounded like a 22. Kind of people is it? It's like they like, they kind of like drag out, their conversations are really not saying anything. They kind of is super imperative and relative to the conversation.
Oh,
That toad?
little toad.
It's not a big toad.
Little toad. Look at that guy.
He's an alright toad.
He's alright, toad. There we go.
Pound and a half.
Pound and a half. I don't know about pound and a half. Man, a broken rod is really hard to get him up here.
Who?
Oh.
No, I ain't clear.
Actually, I don't know, man.
Maybe.
I say pound.
Big tail.
I say pound. I say
Maybe
pound.
pound and a half.
I say a pound, maybe pound and a half. Oh yeah.
That would have been a good one.
I think we're almost done for today. Caught some pretty good fish. Caught my PB creek fish. 3 pounds. That's the dam.
What do you mean?
I mean, you can just walk like around.
That's the point.
Oh.